Hi friends, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the display comparison between the Realme X7 Pro versus the Mi 10 Lite 5G device. So this is the Mi 10 Lite which has a AMOLED panel only, and the Realme X7 Pro has also have the AMOLED panel. And in this video, I'll be just comparing the quickly that both the displays side by side from the Mi 10 Lite versus the Realme X7 Pro device. So and if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using currently for this kind of punch hole and notch mobile phone, so try to check the links in description for the playlist of wallpapers, so you can find very good amazing videos on the wallpapers alone, and even there is a playlist available for each and every smartphone as well. So let's get started friends with this display comparison. And first thing is that let me try to quickly go through the display specifications of both the smartphones. So the Mi 10 Lite has a AMOLED panel with a 6.57 inches screen, and the Realme X7 Pro has a 6.55 inches with a Super AMOLED panel display on the Realme X7 Pro device. And let me try to quickly show you the settings as well, the option. So as you can see, the Dimensity 1000 plus processor, just to confirm that there is a Realme X7 Pro. And next is screen size, we got to know, and the screen type also AMOLED versus Super AMOLED panel, and resolution is kind of same, and pixel density is same, and Gorilla Glass 5 same kind of protection, and 430 nits of brightness, and 1200 nits of brightness in the automatic mode. In the under the sunlight, you will get this kind of maximum peak brightness. So next is HDR10 plus certified, and even this phone also HDR10 plus certified, but it did not mention here, and which has the another advantage of the higher refresh rate and the more touch sampling rate of 240 Hz. So here definitely friends, I can give a clear idea that the Realme X7 Pro will be the winner for the gamers mostly who love to use this kind of higher refresh rate while playing the games. So even in the everyday day-to-day task, you will feel very good, fast and smooth in the Realme X7 Pro. And let's compare playing the same video in both phones side by side, and let's see whether you can find any difference or not. So right now you can see here friends, I'm trying to play the same video in both phones side by side. You can quickly see the brightness level is high in the Realme X7 Pro device when you compare with the Mi 10 Lite. So that is what the first impression I did notice suddenly when I looked at both the mobile phones. So this was my first impressions when I looked. So you can observe this kind of brightness going on. And Mi 10 Lite and another advantage of changing the various modes colors as well. So these with the normal colors, so these with the normal colors, you cannot find much difference. But if you use the cinematic colors, you can find slightly high saturated colors. Even you do have the black and white mode, if you want you can use them, and outdoor mode which will give you the more brightness like the Realme X7 Pro. And this is the thing which I like in these Mi phones, that they do have this kind of advantage where you can change all the colors, and where you can increase and boost the colors. You can do however you want, but in the Realme phones not yet. You cannot do that kind of things in the Realme smartphones at the moment. So maybe in the future updates they should definitely implement this kind of small toolbox, so where you can change the different colors however you want. Even you can watch the videos in the black and white. So this is very cool watching like this. And right now if you use the cinematic mode, you can see, so even if you use that mode, you can see the slightly more saturated colors than the normal this cinema mode. And if you use normal colors, this is how it looks. And if you use the outdoor colors, this is how it looks in the outdoor. So all my points will go to the Realme X7 only in this case when I compare side by side both phones. So that is with a minute, very small margin difference. The Realme X7 Pro has the advantage over the Mi 10 Lite device in terms of the brightness and saturation and the contrast levels. So everything is same. So let me try to even quickly decrease the brightness to 10. It's a 10 brightness, and decrease the brightness to 0. This is a 0 brightness. So both are very good in 0 brightness level. And in terms of the height difference, let me try to quickly compare side by side. So Mi 10 Lite is slightly taller, as you can see, slightly taller. So where the bottom bezels are slightly bigger than the Realme X7 Pro's bottom bezels, you can clearly see the difference, how much it is, difference between the bottom bezels and the top one as well. So overall, this is a quick display comparison between both of the smartphones. And for more this kind of display comparisons and other comparisons, so try to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.